what's up? I'm Tyler. Every time I've seen a tutorial video on how to build this kayak, it's kind of just a little bit of spoof, like fluff. I'm just going to make one that literally tells how to build the kayak, and that's it. So let's get started. When it comes in, it'll come in the box like this, and you can just undo this strap. It won't have the seat on it, but in it, I put my seat on it when I put it back together, so that's why it's like that. You'll need this for later, so keep it. First thing I do is roll it out. And there it is. Roll it out completely. And the first real step is to get these first folds, this one and that one there at the end. To do that, you pretty much just pick it up, fold it together, and put this into the J-hook. There is one on the other side as well. Take that J-hook and bend it a little bit so that the J-hook goes vertical or tilted, so that it holds onto it better. Yeah, so other side. Doing the same with the J-hook on this end as well. Okay. The next step, and probably the toughest step for me, is to get these big main folds. The way I do that easily is to pull back on this, with this crease, and there's one right here on the inside as well. That's where you want to fold. So I fold over like so. I'm going to kick the other side and fold over as well. And as soon as you can get that shaft into that hole, you're good to go. So do that, then fold it over. Make sure this pin is straight towards the back of the boat, and then you're good to go. Then cotter pin in. Same with the other side. So I pull back, bend, grab this side, bend it. You can use your legs a little bit. I kind of do most of the time. I do this. This one tends to be a little harder. The next thing is the sides. This one's a little bit tough too, but still not that bad. You just take these, and there's one on that side and two on the other side, and you'll just want to bend those in like so. Put that under that, spin that down, cotter pin in, same as over there. Cotter pin, and then same on the other side. Bend, spin, cotter pin. Bend, spin, cotter pin. Alright, and then there you go. Alright, the things you're going to need for the seat assembly are the seat itself, the carrying strap, and that cable that I said you would need from earlier with the loop, the Velcro. Okay, what you're going to want to do first is take this Velcro strap, Velcro down, put it through these loops. When I say these loops, I mean these loops here. You want to put them through that, but on top of the seat. Secure the seat before you do this as well. So just cinch that real tight. Then you want to take this carrying strap, run it through the back of the seat. There are two holes here. You can do that. Just like so. Buckle those in to these. They're usually pretty loose, so I'll loosen them up. And these are where the carrying strap buckles to. So when you unfold this kayak, you want to loosen these as much as possible. Alright, so we got it through one. The other side. And then buckle. I pretty much tighten it down all the way. Yeah, so then you've got the seat. You kind of tighten it, fit what you like. I like a little bit of sag in mine. Now, one of the next things that you'll want to do is put on the rest of the accessories past the seat, which are just tighten up this footrest. honestly, whenever you're in the water, you can kind of just see, but I pull it just a little bit tight and then cinch that cord up. And then there's these side bumpers. You know, I guess they're optional, but I kind of do like them. In order to do those, you just slide them on to the sides here. And you take the bungee straps that are inside, wrap it around, and hook them to the silver, the silver wedge pieces right here. Pretty simple. So right there, use something like that. All right. There is the gear bar. I don't necessarily use it. You can if you want. I'm not really sure totally how to install it, just because I haven't really ever needed a use for it or anything. So yeah. So there it is. Boom.